Well, thankfully, more people didn't get hurt because the shooting happened during the busy rush hour. The arrest came less than 24 hours after the incident, and authorities credit that to a real heads-up move by the victim. Road rage ending in gunfire. It happened 4:30 Tuesday afternoon on 695 near Glen Burnie. The crime scene captured by Sky Team 11, Baltimore's only news helicopter. Look closely, and you'll see a large bullet hole in the side of the victim's car. In a heads-up move, the victim got out his phone not only to call 911.
Our victim was able to get a photograph of the suspect vehicle and, of course, of the tag number.
That's how police found the alleged shooter. Charges against 24-year-old Keith Felton of Gwynn Oak, Baltimore County include attempted first-degree murder. Police also searched Felton's home.
They found multiple firearms. Whether any of those firearms were the one used in the commission of this crime is still part of the investigation.
Investigators say this started when Felton cut off the victim. Witnesses told police both drivers became aggressive, speeding and making unsafe lane changes.
There were certain times that the suspect says the victim pulled up next to him with his window down. There was an altercation that ensued, yelling between the two of them.
The victim told police several shots were fired. One of the bullets struck him in the thigh. According to state police, there were 149 road rage incidents last year. The data through October of 2022 indicates 40 of them involved guns. Police say there are 124 road rage incidents so far this year. We talked with drivers who say they too had guns pulled on them during road rage incidents.
People, unfortunately, we live in a world today where people don't know how to channel their anger.
I was scared, so I try to remove myself from the situation when I'm driving.
Police say this latest road rage incident is an example of community involvement and trying to solve a crime. A classic case of see something, say something.
You know, everybody should have love and compassion for one another, you know, and live and see another day.
State police say the victim is expected to be okay. According to the Anne Arundel County State's Attorney's Office, Felton is being held without bond. A bail review is scheduled for tomorrow. Reporting live from Glen Burnie, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.